Hello children, I welcome all the students of class 1 in English Mulberry class. Children, today we are going to start chapter 1 of our English Mulberry book. The name of the chapter is Inside Aisha's House. This is part 1 of this chapter. And I am your English teacher, Sneha. Chapter 1 Inside Aisha's House. Children, before we start the chapter, let us warm up with an activity. Color the shapes in the shape house below. Here you have to color the shapes given here. You have to color the triangle with green color. You have to use yellow color for the squares. You have to use red color for the oval and blue color for the rectangle. I hope this activity would be an interesting one for you. Let's start our chapter now. Now let us look at Aisha's house and find out how she spends time with her family. Children, in this chapter, we will be having a look at Aisha's house and we'll be finding out how she spends time with her family. Let's take a tour of Aisha's house. This is Aisha's bedroom. Aisha loves to look out of the window before going to sleep. On the screen you can see this is Aisha's bedroom. What is a bedroom? A bedroom is a room in a house where we sleep. This is Aisha's bedroom and Aisha loves to look out of the window before going to sleep. This is the bathroom. Aisha brushes her teeth twice a day. She does not waste water while bathing. Children, you can see on the screen, this is Aisha's bathroom. What is Aisha doing? She is brushing her teeth. Aisha brushes her teeth twice a day. What do you mean by twice? The meaning of twice is 2 times. So Aisha brushes 2 times a day. And that is a good habit. Because if you want to be healthy, you should brush your teeth twice a day. She does not waste water while bathing. This is also a good habit because all of us know we should never waste water. This is the living room. Here, Aisha watches the best TV show, The Little Monkey, with her family. Children, on the screen you can see the picture of Aisha's living room. What is a living room? A living room is a place where all the family members sit together or where the guests enter in our house. So in her living room, Aisha watches the TV show which she likes very much. What is the name of the TV show? The name of the TV show is The Little Monkey. Aisha watches this show with her family in the living room. This is the kitchen. Aisha's mother and father make yummy food together. Children, you can see this is Aisha's kitchen. Aisha's mother and father make yummy food together. What do you mean by yummy? Yummy means tasty, delicious. So, in Aisha's kitchen, Aisha's mother and father make tasty food together. This is the dining room. Aisha, her little brother, Rinku, mother and father sit and eat delicious food together. Sometimes Rinku chews his food noisily. Then Aisha shows him the proper way of eating. So this is Aisha's dining room. What is dining room? Dining room is a place in a house where all the family members eat food. So in the dining room, Aisha, her little brother Rinku, Aisha's mother and father sit and eat delicious food together. The meaning of delicious is tasty. Sometimes Rinku chews his food noisily. Sometimes Aisha's little brother Rinku chews his food noisily. Children, we should never chew our food noisily. We should chew it properly, keep our mouth closed and not make any sort of noise while we chew our food. Because making noise while eating food is not a good habit. Then Aisha shows him the proper way of eating. So when Rinku chews his food noisily, Aisha shows her little brother the proper way of eating. So children, we have come to the end of this video. I have read the chapter for you and explained it to you. Your homework is read the chapter. Thanks for watching the video and we'll be meeting very soon with the next part of this chapter.